So somebody requested vegetarian soup, and today is your lucky day. Grab your ingredients and let's get started. Alright, let's take a quick look at our ingredients. For the ground provisions, I'll be using some plantains, eddos, cassava, sweet potato. I have some corn, thyme, scallion, parsley, habanero pepper, some onions, bell peppers, carrots, pumpkin, garlic and ginger. I have some garlic powder, mushroom seasoning, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and seasoned salt. So here I'll be using some red peas as well, and these are super fine. I was so amazed at the look of them because the small red peas here are a little bit bigger. These came straight from Guyana, so I just soaked them overnight and then I started to boil them, and yeah, you just boil until they're nice and tender. To a medium pot, I will add some oil. Then in goes my bell peppers, onions. I will add my garlic and ginger and the herbs. Give it a stir and allow to go for about 2 minutes or so. Next, I'll add the pumpkin and carrots along with the ground provisions and the red peas. Give it a stir and just let it start to simmer before we come in with the water. Here I will come in with some hot water, and then I will add my seasoning for flavor and taste. You can taste and adjust the seasoning to suit your own preference. You could also use your own seasoning. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. Then I will add my hot pepper in here. If you don't want to use hot pepper, you can omit it. Cover and I'll let this simmer until everything is nice and tender. While the soup is going, let's make some quick dumplings. To some flour and baking powder, I added salt, sugar, a little bit of cinnamon. Give it a stir, and then I come in with some warm water. You want to just mix this into a super soft dough and set it aside. Now that the soup is almost done, I will come in with my corn. I hate mushy overcooked corn, so I cook it the last few minutes. Add that in, and then in with our dumplings. You want to cover this and allow them to simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes. And that's it, folks. Our vegetarian red pea soup is all done. Now we can plate this up and enjoy. So here you have it, my version of the most amazing vegetarian red pea soup. It was absolutely satisfying and delicious. I did not miss the meat in here. And I can't wait for you guys to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.